Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. If you are new here, my name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. So the video that I have for everyone today is me getting my new dishwasher. We're gonna show you, well not we, me, show you no, I'm not unloading it. This is a horrible intro, I'm sorry, but getting unloaded into my house, us unpacking it, unboxing it, and putting it together and putting it in and loading it up with some dishes and seeing how well it works. I will show you what everything looks like and my favorite parts and stuff like that of our new dishwasher. And I also wanted to say we did get this on sale. It was a Black Friday sale from Lowe's. It was originally $650 from one Lowe's and $700 from another Lowe's, but I did get it for $400. I will have a picture here on the screen for you guys to see that. But anyways, I will pop in and out to talk when I feel like I need to talk, because I don't know the mumbo jumbo of all of this stuff, but I will say things when I feel like it's needed. So anyways, let's get into getting this in the house, getting it out of the box, and start installing it. One more thing, sorry guys, I think the name brand is Medea. I do show you, sorry you guys about that, I do show you like the box of the Medea brand, the size of it, built-in dishwasher. I do give you a close-up of the model number and stuff like that if you guys end up liking this dishwasher and needing a new one, because I absolutely love this dishwasher. But feel free to go back to it, pause the video, take a screenshot or a picture of it, whatever it may be. But I love this dishwasher. It works really, really good, and it was a blessing that my other one died, because I just struggled with that thing for quite a while and I was not getting rid of it till it finally stopped working, and that's what happened. So anyways, let's get into it. Let's drag it into the kitchen and start installing it, basically putting all the piping on and then putting it in place.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Cool.
What?
This has got holes on the side, so it stops sliding left and right.
Oh, good.
Nice.
Later you gotta send me the screenshot of the tag that you sent me of it being on sale.
Yeah. There's a whole, like this is all laminated and shit. When you get the more expensive one, it gives you like the whole.
So I had to play the Christmas song because first off, it is December, and secondly, it felt like a Christmas gift getting this bad boy, and I was so excited to get it. What's with all the rope on it, like the string on it?
Oh, it's to hold the panels together.
Okay.
You know how that one, when I pull it out, it fall off? Okay, it is. I think that's the wastewater. Tilt it back.
Forward?
Yeah. Tilt it to you. So. Okay, maybe it is in the front.
You have to keep the outlet?
The other one? Always. Every appliance.
Wait, what?
Every appliance.
You keep the outlets?
Yeah.
You mean the electrical?
Yes, every outlet.
What?
Hey, washers and dryers don't come with them either. You have to.
What?
Yes.
Wait a minute, no.
Yes.
No. I'm shocked right now.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
They're a separate purchase.
What?
Yeah.
Way?
I really think this is the dream line right here.
Why is it separate? Why?
I don't
So
know.
when you buy a fridge, it doesn't come with an out?
No, a fridge does.
Yeah.
Stoves don't.
What?
Yeah.
This is weird. Why?
No, they just don't.
Please tell me I'm not the only person on earth that did not know this about the plugs, even though I kept saying outlet, because I was completely shocked about that.
Let's hope this power cord is long enough, or I might have to go make one for the van.
I don't understand this. Why don't they tell people this?
Because, I mean, you're supposed to have a licensed contractor put these in.
Oh.
Because you have to install the power.
Oh. Okay, so far he has hooked up the supply line, as he says. I was going to say the electrical for it, and the drain pipe. He's putting the little plate back on of the dishwasher, and then we're going to go and look for where the water line is that goes, what do you call that? The supply line? Ooh, look at that. I thought of that one myself. The supply line for the water to go into the dishwasher. We did struggle trying to find it, but we did end up finding it.
It's not going to let it stay locked in right now.
Oh.
There's all this stuff in the way.
Ooh, door's gonna, door's gonna come get you.
Oh, yeah?
Door's gonna come get you.
Oh, yeah. Alright. I need to drill.
This is for the water line?
No, for the power.
Oh.
Take the door off and tie the electrical in.
Okay. I also wanted to say that there was no directions inside the pamphlets or anything of showing you where the water line was on the dishwasher. Not sure why, but I don't know.
I hate the rubber flap in the way, but it's nice that that thing's actually there.
Is the dishwasher already gone?
Yeah, it was gone this morning when I walked out.
Yeah. All I seen was a piece of foam left over.
Around.
At this part, he is actually taking some electrical that's on there and hooking it up to the door, so the door has power to it itself, so that way, you know, obviously it will register to turn on and to put it on the load you want it and how you want to dry it and stuff like that. For anybody that is wondering, that's what he's doing. So this is the point when, well, basically when he's going to turn it here, we're looking for where the water line goes to put water into the dishwasher. We thought it was going to be on the sides. Well, I did, and I was like, it's going to be on the side, it's going to be on the side, because the other one was on the side. But I guess it ended up being in the front as well. And the way this one works is you do everything in the front, and then there's like a little cutout on the side, and you loop it and put it through that cutout, and then obviously you put it through the holes on the side of your cabinet to go into your piping and your outlets and stuff like that. So just wanted to throw that out there. It is not in the directions of where to put the water supply, but there is for the electrical and the dispensing of the dirty water. I don't remember what it was called, but yeah, I just wanted to quickly explain that. We ended up figuring it out. If anybody ends up getting this, if you're listening, it's in the front for you to find. It's not in the back or on the sides. So anyways, now we are sliding it into place, making sure we had enough tubing for everything and wiring, which we ended up having more than enough. And next he's going to screw it to the top of the top of the counter. And actually we didn't even have to screw the sides to the base of the cabinet, because the brackets that it came with ended up working perfectly for our opening. And I think the reason why it didn't work so well with our old one is because we couldn't adjust the feet any higher anymore on our dishwasher. Technically we could have probably put what are those things called? Not shingles. What are those things called? They kind of taper, they fill in like gaps for wood. I can't remember what they're called. Maybe someone can write in the comments exactly what I'm talking about when you use them to fill in spaces. They're pieces of wood. But anyways, the feet on here go up and down and up, actually, a lot more than our old one did. So it worked out perfectly for us. And I had him push the dishwasher all the way through to where the buttons weren't sticking out from the counter. It was pushed in, almost like basically completely in. You could still kind of see the buttons a little bit. Well, they're not buttons, they're more touch screen. So that was another thing that I loved about this. It was that it was touch screen. And also that when you tap the touch screen, it makes like dinging noises to let you know that you actually touch those things, plus lighting up as well. There is different dry modes. There's like an extended dry mode, a normal dry mode. There is like heavy wash, normal wash, express wash, rinse only, and quite a few other things. There is a power button where you turn it on and off, the cancel and stuff like that. I absolutely love this thing, and I will show you later on in this video the cool things that it does. Oh, it was so cool. Honestly, we didn't even know these two cool things happened with it. Well, he knew, but he kept it a surprise to me, and I just thought it was so, so cool. And then there was another surprise, which I keep saying surprise, but to me it was like the world's greatest thing. I also wanted to throw out there another thing that I loved about this dishwasher was the fact that the inside was stainless steel and not plastic like my Whirlpool one. It was starting to get really gross and nasty in there. I used to clean that thing with a toothbrush all the time, and mold just kept growing, and especially inside my utensil holder. Don't get me wrong, I love that the utensil holder was on the door, but this one is pretty cool, and I'll show you why. Okay, so here's all of your options. Again, it's touch screen. It doesn't raise up at all. Is the start right there. You press that start button and you close it after you're done picking your options and it's turned on. Here's what the inside looks like, that nice stainless steel look. It does have 4 like motor dryers in them, which helps out a lot. A top rack here for utensils or cup lids, straws, stuff like that. Here is the second lid, just showing you guys the name again, the Medea brand if you guys forgot. It has the 2 wine cup holders, but then you can finagle the little, I don't know what you call those, racks, there you go, if you want them up or down or whatever the case may be to make more space for something up there. You can also change the height of this rack to be higher or lower. So that way if you have anything on the bottom that may not fit, which is pretty cool. And here on the bottom rack, you can move around those racks right there as well. So only the black with the blue little bottom clips are the ones that can move. Thought that was so cool, you guys. And then here I ended up finding out later on that my utensil holder here, which you can place anywhere you want inside the dishwasher, you can actually take it apart in 3 different sections. So if you only need the little small one, you can use the small one or the big one or whatever the case may be. I thought that was so cool. I do end up showing you guys that, and when I am done loading up the dishwasher, I will show you guys the sound it makes when you click the buttons and stuff like that. And earlier, I forgot to tell you guys this, in the front of the dishwasher, there's 4 different lights on them. The first one's letting you know it started, the second one's letting you know it's washing, the third one is to let you know it's drying, and then the fourth one lets you know that it's done. And then when it's done, it does give you a cool little tone, which I did not get for you guys, but it's like doo 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 when it's all done and everything, which is really cool. It's very quiet compared to my old one. Like, we cannot even tell that this thing's ever on, ever. I get nervous, like, oh, did it turn on? Did it work? Because my old one would do that, and I would have to restart it, or it just wouldn't work at all, so I'd have to hand wash it and stuff. But when you go up to it and put your ear to it, you can actually hear it. In my old one, I used to put my hand on it. If I, for some reason, sometimes it was quiet, I would put my hand on it to see if I could feel it moving. And that was another way to check my old one to see if it was working. This one, you put your hand on it, you can't feel it moving at all. So you have to like actually sit and listen to see if it's working. So it's a very quiet dishwasher, which I absolutely love. If I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't use the bottom utensil holder. I just put it all here on the top rack every time I use it. It's very convenient and I like it. And honestly, I like how everything's spaced out and everything gets washed in between, instead of like the spoons getting stuck together or the forks getting stuck together and not getting it completely washed, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I fit in a ton of dishes inside of this bad boy. I'm filling it up with the spot cleaner, like liquid stuff that you put in a dishwasher, and then I'm going to go in with the Walmart brand pod to wash the dishes. So the coolest thing I didn't even say when I was showing you guys the overview on the inside was that it has lights inside of it. My dishwasher literally has lights inside it. That is absolutely crazy. We did not know that. The both of us did not know that it actually came with lights in it. We thought when it said with LED lights, we thought it was for the front part. It was for the inside. It was the coolest thing ever. But here I'm showing you guys how the utensil rack thing holder comes apart, and you can use it any way you want, basically. I thought that was really cool, and that's another thing we both did not know about. I thought that was very unique. So if you're like a smaller family and you don't need the whole entire rack, I think that would work perfectly for you. This was the next day. I ended up going to bed after that, showing you guys everything, and everything was nice and dry. Everything comes out dry like this every single time I use it. We've had it for 2 weeks now, and I will keep you guys posted. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos. And thank you so much. I will catch you on Saturday. Make sure you stay tuned for Ashley's video on Thursday. But until next time, guys, bye.